Mother's Day is coming in hot, and if you're in food, retail, or beauty, it's about to be your Black Friday.
But here's the thing, it's not just about surviving the rush, it's about growing your customer base and cashing in all year.
Today we're showing you how to use your Clover POS to turn the Mother's Day chaos into a major win. More sales, more loyal customers, and a lot less stress.
Mother's Day spending hit $35.5 billion last year. Over 84% of adults celebrated, and they spent an average of $274 each.
And it's not just flowers, it's brunch, spa days, gift baskets, jewelry, candles, and digital gift cards for the last minute crowd.
So whether you're a salon, bakery, boutique, or boba shop, you need a game plan. Not just to keep up, but to maximize every customer interaction.
Step 1, audit your POS system. Let's start with your POS. If it's slow, clunky, or not connected to your website, you're already behind.
Here's what you need at a minimum. Fast tap to pay, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, syncing between online and in-store inventory, easy promotion setup, ability to sell and redeem digital gift cards, real-time sales and inventory reporting, and a loyalty program enrollment at checkout.
Clover does it all, and VMS will set it up for you. But here's how you take it to the next level.
Step 2, build a high-impact promo plan. The days before Mother's Day, promo gold mine. Here's how to stand out from every 20% off copycat. Offer bundled value.
Create gift bundles your customers don't have to think about. Mom's spa day set, sweet tooth box, brunch for 2, whatever fits your vibe.
Use Clover to build product bundles and price them as the limited time offers. This makes checkout easy, inventory synced, and profits predictable.
Launch flash deals. Use Clover's promo tool to run a surprise 2-hour deal. Buy any candle, get a greeting card for free between 2 and 4 p.m.
It builds urgency. Post it on Instagram stories, email your list, and text your regulars through Clover's built-in CRM. Push digital gift cards.
Not everyone knows what to buy mom. That's why digital gift cards are the way to go. Clover lets you sell, email, and even text them instantly. Step 3, train your staff to sell.
Most businesses don't realize this, but your staff is your frontline sales team. A trained team equals higher average ticket and happier customers. Do a 5-minute quick huddle.
Go over how to run a promo through Clover, split checks for families, add loyalty at checkout, upsell with bundles. Teach Clover shortcuts.
On the Mini, you can toggle promos, gift cards, loyalty, and inventory in seconds. The faster your team works, the more customers you can serve. Step 4, drive foot traffic and drive more sales.
Let's talk marketing, because a beautiful bundle does not matter if nobody knows you have it. Use Clover's CRM to promote deals.
Send a text or email to your customer list, such as last-minute Mother's Day deals, order online or in store before May 12th.
Include a direct link to your online store or DoorDash listing. Make it one tap to shop.
In-store signage with QR codes.
Print signs like "Need a gift card fast? Scan here," and place them by your register. Clover's digital cards equals instant delivery. Geo-targeted Facebook and Instagram ads.
Run $25 ads targeting people within 5 miles of your store. Focus on phrases like Mother's Day brunch, last-minute gifts, or mom massage deals.
Link it back to your Clover-powered landing page or DoorDash store. You've got the inventory and the promos. Now get the eyeballs.
Cash discount equals big savings. If you want to maximize profit margins, turn on the cash discount program.
It gives customers a small discount for paying cash and passes the card fees to credit users. Totally legal and totally easy.
Clover supports it, VMS sets it up. You save on every single sale. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure to like and subscribe.
Your support helps us create more videos like this. Mother's Day isn't just a day, it's a moment for your business to shine.
Get your POS ready, train your team, promote like crazy, and use this momentum to turn new customers into regulars.
And if your current system is holding you back, you already know, VMS has your back.
I'm Chai.
And I'm Jackie. And we'll see you next time with more exciting small business news.
Believe in small business.
All right, 3, 2.
You smell like really good laundry detergent. Downy?
Yeah.